For how many pairs of positive integers x, y such that x plus 3y is equal to 100. So we have to find out all positive integers x, y. We satisfied x plus 3y is equal to 100. So we have x plus 3y is equal to 100. So we get 3y is equal to we get x equal to 100 minus 3y by subtracting 3y from both the sides. So x equal to 100 minus 3y, and it is given that x and y are positive integers. So this means x is greater than 0 or 100 minus 3y should be greater than 0. Since x is positive integer. So we have to solve this inequality. So to find the value of y, we add 3y on both sides. So adding 3y on both sides, we get 100 minus 3y plus 3y is greater than 0 plus 3y. So here minus 3y and plus 3y will be cancelled out. So we are left with 100 is greater than 3y. Now we have to find the value of y. So now dividing by 3 on both sides. So dividing by 3 on both sides, we get 100 over 3 is greater than 3y over 3. So here it will be cancel out 3 and 3, and if we divide 100 by 3 we get 33.33. So from here we get y is less than 33.33, but it is given that x and y should be integer, positive integer. So we know that integer means no fraction, no decimal. So simply from here we get y is equal to 1 1 to 33. So the values of y will be 33. Therefore the total number of values of y will be 33, because it is given that x and y are positive integers. So the least value of y will be 1. So if the values of y will be 33, if the total number of values of y will be 33, then x will also be 33. I mean the number of values of x will also be 33, which implies the total number of values of x will also be 33, because from this equation we can see that for each value of y we get one value of x. For each value of y we get one value of x, because x is dependent variable here and y is independent variable. So for each value of y we get one value of x. So if there are 33 values of y, then there will be 33 values of x too. So there will be 33 ordered pairs which satisfies the given equation. I mean x equal to 100 minus 3y. So xy will be equal to 33. That is our required answer.